Hey, what's up, guys? It's the weekend again, and welcome to my weekend post. Oh, jeez. Well, so much for these sandals. Oh, come on. I needed a new pair anyway. Just give you guys a little bit of information. I'm out here at the spring in my neighborhood again. Everybody's relaxing, having a good time. So the Carnival Cruise Lines that I had some options out on, they had their earnings this week. So they had great earnings. The stock went up 14.68% for the week. So that worked out really well for me. I had 24 puts out at $23.50 and $23 dollars, and right now it's sitting at $27.26. So I'm in the clear on those puts. The whole market went up. So the whole market went up this week, and Carnival went up really good. So I decided, what should I do? Well, the market's up, Carnival's up. Great time to sell call options, because how much further can it go up? I mean, Carnival Cruise Lines was up 14.68% this week. So I mean, the way I see it is that how much further can it go up? So that's a great time to sell call options. So that's what I did, and here's how it turned out. Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to interrupt this weekend post. Today is the 25th of June, so a few days ago, but I had to make this trade. The market has been up this week, and as a whole, I mean, like the S&P 500, and after the good earnings on Carnival Cruise Lines, that's been up this week too. Dropped back a little bit, but not too bad. So with both of them up, it's the perfect time, I think, to sell call options, because there's more chance of it dropping back than to keep going up. So let's check this out. I'm gonna show you something real quick. All right, here's the Carnival Cruise Lines 1 week chart. So boom, you see the earnings right there. Great earnings, went up like $2, and then it dropped back a little bit. So it's still up pretty good. And then if you look at the S&P 500 1 week chart, boom, that's up too. All right, great time to sell these options. So what we're going to do real quick is go to the options. I'm going to sell, I got like 2,000 shares of Carnival. That's just pretty much sitting there. I've got 5 options out right now on 500 shares, and those will end this Friday. Well, actually, probably yesterday or a couple of days ago from this video. But I'm gonna sell 10 more options, and there's some money to be made, and why not make it? I mean, it's not gonna be as much, but I'm gonna do it pretty safe, and I'm gonna go out to the $27 strike price. Right now it's at $25.36, so that gives me like $1.40 something that it's got to go up by expiration, which will be next Friday. I don't think it's going to do that. A week and 2 days, 2.5 days. Actually, no, not even that, because next Friday is 4th of July, so can't count that. So like a week and 1.5 days, I don't think it's going to go up $1.40 something. Could be wrong, but I doubt it. We'll see. Hold on. So I'm going to sell these real quick. I'll show you. So I'm going to do 10 options. I'm going to change the expiration to July 3rd, which is next Friday. I'm going to change the strike price to $27, so that's what it's got to go up to for me to lose my shares, 1,000 shares, because it's 10 options. Each option is 100 shares. So I don't think it's going to get there. If it does, they got to pay me $27 for it, so I'll take that also. The middle is 7 cents, 10 options. That gives me I gotta do the action, sell to open. So sell to open, 10 options, expiration is the 3rd of July, and the strike price is $27. And it's a call option. So that gives me $70 if this goes through. So why not make a quick $70? Review order. Sell to open. 10 options. Carnival Cruise Lines. That's all the info. Place order. Let's see if this goes through. Oh, look at that. That's the sound I like to hear. Let's check it to make sure it has gone through, and there we are. Right there, 10 options, 27 call. Expiration is the 3rd of July. $70. It's too easy. You guys got to learn this. It's awesome. So, all right, back to my video. All right, so did you see how confident I was with that? You know, I'm like, oh, 27 strike price, you know, no problem, I'll be good. Well, then after that, the stock went up Thursday, and then on Friday, that thing shot up big time, and it put me in the money above the strike price of $27, which I really didn't want to happen, but sometimes these things happen, and you work your way out of them if you can. So what I did was I was like 4 minutes before the market closed, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm working, and I'm thinking to myself, what if I just put the expiration date out a week or two, which I ended up doing 2 weeks, and extend the expiration date and raise the strike price. So I ended up raising the strike price to $27.50, and I got 18 cents on the premium. So I did that with 5, not the 10. I kept 5 the way it was, the expiration ending on the 3rd of June, and I extended the other 5 out to expiration of the 18th of June. I ended up raising it, like I said, 50 cents from $27 to $27.50. And I got 18 cents on the premium, so that was cool. Made $90 there, and put me in a little bit better position. But the expiration date is now a little bit further out, 2 more weeks out, which anything can happen in those 2 weeks. So I'm hoping it drops back a little bit to put me in a decent position. But we'll see what happens. You know, I figured I'll put myself in these different positions, and then whatever happens, I'll make money or be in a good position on at least some of them, and try to work my way out of the ones that I'm not. But you know, I can't complain, because the 24 puts I did have out totally went my way, which was the majority of my options. So that worked out great. That was awesome. So we'll see what happens in the next week. I'll make another video selling the options this next weekend. And if you would, I would really appreciate it. It helps me out so much if you would subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Helps me out a lot. And if you got any questions or just want to, you know, conversate about anything, write in the comments, and I'll get back to every person that comments. So y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. All right.